Traka intelligent locker systems provide secure management of your devices. With controlled access permissions, devices are issued to authorized personnel only. Lockers are available in a range of designs, with standard and bespoke sizes, and in a wide range of optional features. Access options available with Traka solutions include biometrics, PIN code, or your existing access cards. A combination of these methods is available, as well as other options. Once an authorized user has identified themselves at the locker system, they will gain access to the system. The 7-inch colour multi-language touchscreen will then display what door that user is authorized to access, with simple red and green indicators. The user selects which door they would like to open by selecting this position on the screen. Alternatively, the system can be set to automatically choose which door to open, based on the length of time the assets have been in the compartment. The touchscreen interface and embedded Windows processor allow Traka Touch products to function as standalone units or as fully networked solutions, with multiple systems being managed by Traka web software. Once a door has been selected at the screen, the locker door will open, granting access to the device within it. Traka's automated solutions negate the need for a dedicated member of staff to manually hand out devices, and confirms they have been returned. Traka solutions can provide assured asset provision. With the use of RFID technology, the system can detect the presence or absence of an asset within a locker compartment and doesn't just account for the door being opened and closed. Once the device is removed from the locker, the unique RFID tag can no longer be read, and the device is recorded as being out of the system. A time and date stamp is recorded for that transaction, making the user accountable and the actions auditable. To return a device, the same identification process is followed. The system acknowledges which device that user holds and tells them where to return it by opening the locker door. The RFID tag is read as being back in the system, and this user is now no longer accountable for this device. With built-in charging options available, your devices are fit for purpose when they're dispensed from the system. Additional functionality includes features such as multiple languages, curfews, reason logging and fault logging. The curfew function controls the length of time that a device should be out of the system, so that if devices haven't been returned at a designated time, management can be notified. In addition, fault logging can be used to report any issues with devices, either as minor faults, in which case management are notified but the device can still be dispensed, or major faults, where the device or asset will be locked in place, preventing it from being released to another user until it has been fixed.